Hello everyone, welcome back to codingscientist.com. You are watching Hacking Raspberry Pi 0 to Hero series. Guys, this lesson is going to be very important because the lesson what you're going to learn is about IMU, Inertial Measurement Unit, and this is going to be highly applicable in autonomous robots and different kind of applications, right? Including drones. So if you look at the SenseHat documentation, right? So this basically comes with multiple sensors inbuilt. The SenseHat has a IMU. As I said, it's called Inertial Measurement Unit, right? Which is a small chip which includes multiple sets of sensor to detect the movement. Now, what kind of movement? A gyroscope is inbuilt into this particular SenseHat for detecting which way up and down the board goes. So this is how the gyroscope is. For example, if your board is like this, which way it has to move. And then this has got the accelerometer for detecting the movement, right? How fast it's going, or backward, forward. And then this also has a magnetometer for detecting magnetic field around your environment wherever you place your Raspberry Pi, right? So basically, what is an IMU? I mean, there are loads of information available in Google. You can search for, but just to give you a glimpse, a gyroscope basically measures the momentum and rotation. That is how the gyroscope works. And then the accelerometer, which is inbuilt again, measures the acceleration force and can be used to find the direction of the gravity, right? It's too scientific, don't worry about it. You will get to know that once you start building application. And then the magnetometer, which is again inbuilt within the SenseHat, basically measures the Earth's own magnetic field, a bit like a compass, the magnetic compass. So that's how these particular stuff works. Now let's take a quick look at our code. The Python code. I'm going to show you the code, how to accelerate, how to activate these IMU sensors, inbuilt sensors, and then start reading the input on your IDE itself. At a later stage in upcoming lesson, I will show you how to publish those data into your display, in the SenseHat display. So let's move on to VNC. I am already logged in. So basically, importing the SenseHat library, and then I'm bringing all the acceleration, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis into the while loop. If it is true, then it's going to read and print it out. So that it's as simple as that. So let's run this, and let me hold it in my hand and see what happens. All right, this seems to be working perfect. Right now, let me just move. There you go. You can see the sensor reading changes, x-axis, y-axis, and the value keeps changing, right? There you go. Now let me change the direction, the x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis again. Cool. So this seems to be working perfect, but you can't see anything on the display. Nothing is publishing here. Only on the IDE. You can see just right above me, only on the IDE it's publishing. You can see the IMU data is being published right behind on the screen on your IDE. This looks perfect, guys. I don't see any flaw here in the code. The reading seems to be perfect. The x-axis, the y-axis, and the z-axis. Okay, now let's do one thing. So what we need to do is, I'm going to leave this code for you guys, in my GitHub. Pick up this code, try it yourself, and then in the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to publish this data on your screen itself. I mean, on your SenseHat display itself, with RGB and colorful arrows marking around. It's going to be interesting, like a video game, right? I will see you soon. Goodbye.